Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and share with you how you can get paid to watch YouTube videos. And it's not only YouTube videos, I'll share with you how you can get paid for simply going and liking someone's status on Facebook, how you can get paid for searching on Google, and like most things I share on this channel, this is free to get started, it's available worldwide, and it's really simple to do. You do not need any experience for this whatsoever, and you can get started on this pretty much straight away. Now, before I jump into this video and go ahead and share these sites with you, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. On the screen, this is one of my blogs, and I blog and I also upload videos onto YouTube about making money online and working from home. So if this is what you're interested in, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know whenever I upload a video, because I upload videos and I also blog, so I kind of mix it up whether I put it onto YouTube or whether I go ahead and put it onto my blog. So, I mean, as you can see on my blog here, there's just so many different ways that you can make money online, and you don't need to go ahead and invest lots of money, and a lot of the things are really simple to do. If you're looking for some simple ways to earn some money online, then you can find them. There is some scams out there, but a lot of the things that I share on this channel, I've tried them, I've tested them, and I'm sharing my results. And again, in this video, I'm going to be showing you one site where I've gone ahead and trialed it, and I'll show you my results. So let's jump into today's video and we'll look at these sites. And the first one we're going to go ahead and have a look at is this one here, and it's called microworkers.com. So as you can see here on my account, I've currently got $1.59 in here, and to earn this money it was ridiculously easy, it was quick, it genuinely was. So I'll drop a link to this site here for you, Microworkers. But you can see here, so these tasks here, I did these 23 days ago. I did them all the same day. You can see the total amount that I earned for each one. And then this here was the jobs that I had to go ahead and do. So the first one here, I got paid 30 cents to go and comment on a YouTube video. That was it. Go and comment on a YouTube video, 30 cents. Got another one here. So I've got Instagram, follow someone on Instagram, comment on a picture and like it, 50 cents. And then we've got this one here. This was doing a Google search for a company. I've got another one here where you have to do a website visit and just do a simple screenshot. We've then got one here. This one here paid 46 cents to simply go on Facebook and like someone's Facebook page. It's bizarre. But let me go ahead and show you some of the jobs available. So this here, this is available worldwide, and you can search through all of the different jobs at once. You can search for it by categories, whether you want to go and search for YouTube videos or Facebook likes or surveys, or just, I'll show you the categories now. So you can see here, so at this moment in time for me in the UK, there's 305 jobs available, and then there's also a lot of long-term jobs available also. Now you can scroll down here and you can see here, you can filter this via the most paying, different tasks down here. You can go ahead and filter it by the latest, the best rated, and then you've got all of these subcategories down here. So if you wanted to go ahead and just make money via going on YouTube, you'd find YouTube. Where's YouTube? Here, click on here, and then it will bring up all of the different tasks or jobs available on YouTube. And a lot of these, it's just a case of going to the YouTube video and watching the video, or just simply liking the video. So let's have a look at these ones here for me. So this one here, go to YouTube, comment and screenshot, and 30 cents. You can see so far 34 people have done this so far, and there's currently 50 of this. So there's 50 opportunities to earn 30 cents with this one here. We've then got another one here, YouTube, watch, like, comment, you'll earn 12 cents. We've got another one, watch, like, comment and subscribe, 35 cents. But there's so many different ways you can earn money with this. If I show you Facebook, we'll have a look at Facebook, and don't worry, I'm not going to go through absolutely every single category. You can go ahead and have a look at these yourself. Just sign up, it's free to sign up, and then you can go through here. But as you can see on Facebook, I mean, it's just bizarre, isn't it? So we've got this one here, site savers. Go ahead, like the page, comment and screenshot, you'll get paid 46 cents. You've got another one here, same again, put like it, screenshot, and then you'll earn 56 cents. We've got another one here, Facebook, just share a post, 30 cents. Another one down here, website. So you can see, I mean, what's this one here? Facebook app, easy training plus feedback, $1.30. Got another one here, Facebook like. So as you can see, this is really simple. The reason why people, well, I think it's obvious, isn't it? People will pay you to go ahead and like their videos and watch their videos and subscribe on YouTube or Facebook or wherever, because they're trying to go ahead and raise awareness about their brand or their Facebook page or their website. So by coming on here and paying people these amounts of money, it's just a really simple way for them to go ahead and get their business, their brand, their website, whatever they're trying to promote and share. It's just a really simple and cost-effective way for them to go ahead and get awareness to that. And again, you can go through here. I mean, you've got website testing, surveys, click and search, bookmarking. Just simply, you'd go to someone's website and bookmark it, and then you'll get paid for doing this. Now, as we saw at the beginning of this video, I did these tasks on here 23 days ago. All of these have now been signed off. You can see here I've currently got $1.59, but it literally took me, I'd say, about 3-4 minutes, if that, to go ahead and do these tasks. And there's so many tasks on here, it gets updated all the time. So you can go ahead and you can earn some really simple money by just doing this. So this one here is called Micro Workers. It's really great, it's really simple. I've trialed it, I've tested it, and you can go ahead and do reviews for this on Google. It's got some pretty good reviews on Google. It's available worldwide, so absolutely go ahead and check this out. It's an incredibly easy way to make some extra money online and from home. The next site I'm going to go ahead and share with you is this one here. It's called Rapid Workers. Now, I've signed up to this, but I haven't at this moment in time taken any of the tasks and done this. But looking at the reviews for this online, it works very similar to Micro Workers here. So if we just scroll down here, I've just gone into the tab. So again, you'd sign up, it's free to sign up, and then you go on the left hand side here, you've got job name. So I've just typed in YouTube, and you can see here, so this here is what is required. So YouTube, you would search, watch and like and subscribe, and then you're going to earn 16 cents. Again, 20 people have already completed this out of a total of 90 jobs available. And then in the middle here, you've got country where it's available. So international means it's available worldwide. And then you've got all of your different countries where you can go ahead and do this. So again, look on here, you've got all of these different ones available for going ahead and just watching videos and liking and subscribing on YouTube. But if I take YouTube out, let me just get rid of that and hit enter. Again, it will bring up all of the different tasks, all the different jobs that are available on here. But again, it's really simple, it's really easy. You do not need any skills or any qualifications for this whatsoever. If you can follow simple instructions like go to this Facebook page, like it, and then send us a screenshot, you can make some really simple money with this. It's just so easy. It really is easy. So if we just scroll down here, I mean, there's just so many different jobs available on here. There really is. We've got YouTube. I mean, there's lots of YouTube ones on here. You've got Facebook. What is that one? Report a Facebook profile. Could be a bit dodgy, that one. So let's keep going down on here. 20-second offer. So this is where you'd maybe go and look at some surveys on here, and you can earn money for doing so. Easy money, this one here. Download an app from the Google Play Store, rate it 5 stars. It'll just take a couple of minutes, you'll earn 25 cents. So that is pretty much today's video. It's 2 sites, they're both free, they're both easy, and they both work really, really quickly. I don't have anything else to say on it. So thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go ahead and leave a comment below. But thanks again, and I shall see you in the next one.